store, yeah? Rubber girl. Rubber girl Saturday anniversary. 23rd of April. And everybody will leave the clue. Remember March 13th, log in the beach party there. Come out early, cause the beach is small enough. Then one limited space to love over there, no? The parents are going to come up, so you know we go. From 3 o'clock, alright then? What's up? And when you student the $500, yeah? You get student ID. March 13, look out for my brother! Step 1, step 2, up on the third one. Pick up on the Canadian crew, them in the house. Yeah, I'm a British people, I'm a European people up here, I'm Americans up here. Early morning, you just wake up, lick with a play and the girl them a walk. Hey girls! Wake up, lick with a play and the girl them a walk. Walk with a walk, lick with a play and the walk. That's how we get to the door now. Lick with a play and the walk, yeah, girl. Somebody get the lick with that. Some people don't come to late and now get deep. Tell you no. From 3 o'clock the gate open. Look up the snapshot. Right there. Right on the court. Snapshot at the court. You hear me? You get talking about 2 guys. Look at 1 shot there. Where you get shot there. Look up in the dark. Look up in the dark. And you girl by the pool, why you can't watch? Tough life, why? Hey, you come here. Come on, yes, baby. Come on now. Yeah. Start a party about 1 second. Alright, make sure you have one. And I'm all beyond. Party done. People believe before the party done. But they're rotted. But now I'm going to give one a long argument. I'm rapping the last time. I'm going to play the second about 10 times. After 10 times, go on here. Walk and wine through the gate. Come on, go on. I'm trying. Liquid, put on soul music. Next year.